not brightening up my wallet and bank balance, but face and mood in return. ठीक है. Hello everyone, I'm finally getting the hang of YouTube long form and I have to admit I'm having a lot of fun. मुझे नहीं लगा मुझे इतना मजा आएगा because in my head I was thinking मैं क्या करूंगी, कौन से टाइप के वीडियोस बनाऊंगी, but then I realized इतना सोचने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. Just do something, anything. And so here I am because I bought new lipsticks. Do I need new lipsticks? No, absolutely not. But do I want new lipsticks? Yes, absolutely yes. And I freaking love lipstick. I think for me, makeup may say my favorite product has to be lipstick because it's so versatile. You can use it on your lips, on your cheeks. It just brightens up my face and mood in return. Not brightening up my wallet and bank balance, but face and mood in return. ठीक है. So I पता चलेगा whether they have survived this fall in 5 minutes. What I was saying was, I have bought 2 MAC lipsticks and 1 Chanel lipstick. I went to Palladium the other day and of course I had to stop by and pick up some makeup. So the MAC lipsticks are signature move. Finally, I have actually had signature move in my YouTube bolio, in my Nykaa cart for so long and it's always out of stock. It's always out of stock everywhere. So the minute I saw it in stock at the MAC store, actually not MAC store, I think I bought it from the Nykaa store only. And then the other, yeah, so the minute I saw it, I had to pick it up. I was like, no, soch bhi nahi rahi hu. Second one is, like I was saying, I don't know, can you see? Like I was saying, ये एक है and the other one is Smoothie Move. And now when it comes to the Chanel wala, this Rouge Coco Flash, the formula is possibly the best. Like, yes, it's a very expensive lipstick and it's definitely not like one of those that you can just buy. Think of it occasion, save up and then buy it because it's absolutely stunning. उसके अलावा I bought one of these new glossy liners MAC के. I had never tried them and I was like, what is a glossy liner? So she made me try it. It's actually just, it glides well. And I mean, ये सब marketing gimmick हो सकता है, but I'm buying it. Okay, I'm buying it. This color ना MAC का liner color is in Whirling. Oh my god, मुझे चश्मे की जरूरत है, I think. So that's what the packaging looks like. It's very cool. It's thick, so it doesn't feel very patla. And if you can see, let me try and focus. Honestly, a lipstick or a lip shade looks so different with bright lights. It's a completely different color. Remember, if a creator is using lights and it looks dark, then in reality that shade will be so much darker. ये मेरे दिमाग में है. मैं जब भी एक लिपस्टिक ऐसे ही खरीदती थी, I would be like, wow, it looks so pretty. But then when I would put it on me, it would look so much more भड़चक. Anyways, मैं बहुत बातें कर रही हूँ. So चलो. Okay, let's see. This is shade Whirling. It's a really pretty brown and I think it'll go with all skin tones for sure. I love brown lip liners also because they stay for some reason, like the outline stays and it defines your lips, which I love. First, shall we start with Signature Move? I really hope I'm not broken this. It's a really beautiful color. Should we swatch it on the hand or should we swatch it straight on the lip? Okay, let's do the lip, then the hand. So pretty, na? It's like a gorgeous brown and it is one of those shades that will look nice on fair, wheatish dark, all skin tones. And this MAC ka jo vanilla scent and taste hai, I've realized I don't like very scented lipsticks at all, like perfumey lipsticks, big put off. I want to use them if the formula is good, but I just can't. I cannot wear them for more than 2-3 seconds. So ye tha Signature Move. Next, we are going to try Like I Was Saying. That's what it looks like. It's very similar, but not really. You will understand ये उल्टा था क्या? मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. नहीं नहीं, ये उल्टा नहीं. Let's do this. And by the way, 2 of 2, no breakage. This, like I was saying, is a warmer brown, and signature move is a cooler brown. Just remember that in case you all are wanting to buy and you all know your undertones. ये है, like I was saying, and this is signature move. Don't even come at me and say ये दोनों exact same लग रहे हैं. बिल्कुल नहीं लग रहे हैं. थोड़े और लग रहे हैं. चलेगा. I love it. I love it. I want to actually show you the Chanel ka on its own because it's such a freaking pretty color. Yeah, it's number 90, Jour, like day. Oh God, iska packaging khula hai. I hope it did not break. So funky. I love it. That's this beautiful shade. Let's go without the liner first. You can't understand how buttery these Chanel Coco Rouge Balm Flash kya hai? Coco Flash lipsticks are. They are just oof. I don't even want to use and waste it on my hand, but here, this is what the color looks like. It's a really pretty pink. It's an everyday pink for sure. Only पैसा इतना है कि everyday use कर सकते हैं कि वो पता नहीं. Let us check it out with some liner. What do we think? I think 10 on 10. I loved all of these colors. इसीलिए तो खरीदे हैं. And yeah, I can totally imagine wearing all of them. Which was your favorite? I can ask questions now. Which one was your favorite? Let me know. I will show you all three again. Signature move, Jour, and like I was saying, let me know which one's your favorite. Also, let me know if we should do like a 30-day lipstick of the day. Because I would love that. Like, I love watching videos like that. So let me know on that also. Bye.